Lemon is among the most nourishing fruits, and its benefits are known to people. Lemons have multiple healthy substances, like citric acid, calcium, pectin, magnesium, vitamin C, and limonene. They can deliver benefits for several parts of your body. Today's video of parshealthhtv is going to share with you the 10 health benefits of lemon you are probably not aware of. Stay tuned with us. Number 10. Benefits for the lymph system. Lemon strengthens the immune system by hydrating and replacing fluids lost by body functions. When your body is deprived of water, you can certainly feel the side effects, which are feeling tired, fatigued, sluggish, reduced immune function, constipation, lack of energy, low or high blood pressure, lack of mental clarity, and feeling stressed, to name a few. Number 9. Detoxing the body. Lemonades flush out toxins because lemons boost the rate of urination in the body. Consequently, toxins are removed faster, which allows keeping your urinary tract healthy. The citric acid in lemons maximizes the enzyme process, which promotes the liver and aids in detoxification. Number 8. Brightening the skin. Hyperpigmentation is a procedure in which dark spots form on the skin. The most common reason is sun exposure and environmental pollution. This is not just damaging to your skin tissue, it also causes you to look older and your skin darker and more uneven than it actually is. Lemon, with a high amount of vitamin C, has a great impact on lightening the brown spots on your face. It does not matter what has caused these spots, lemon can brighten them. Numerous eye creams have vitamin C in their ingredients because it can also decrease dark circles. Vitamin C's antioxidant combinations can fight these unwanted dark areas because it helps the production of melanin, an enzyme that can stop hyperpigmentation. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 7. Improving the healing process. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, abundant in lemons, stimulates wound healing and is an important nutrient in sustaining healthy bones, cartilage, and connective tissue. As noted earlier, vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C is essential for preserving good health and recovery from stress and injury. Number 6. Collagen production. The most important impact of vitamin C, which is abundant in lemon, is its collagen production. Truly, vitamin C is vital for the production of collagen in the body. Around 80% of skin is created of a protein named collagen. Therefore, now you can realize why collagen is crucial for the body. Collagen is the primary ingredient that is very healthy for every part of the body. One of the most essential roles of collagen in the body is to maintain the integrity of cartilage, which is a tissue that covers your joints. As you might know, collagen is a protein that creates skin, hair, and muscle tissue. Collagen has an influential effect on maintaining the skin youthful and smooth. Applying vitamin C to your skin will rev up the production of collagen and make the skin firm. So, it will give your skin a youthful, firm, and smooth appearance. Number 5. Boosting the energy. As you know, the energy a human gets during the day comes from the food they consume. A reaction happens when the positively charged ions from food enter the digestive system and interact with the negatively charged enzymes. Lemon is one of the rare foods that have more negatively charged ions, supplying your body with more energy when it enters your digestive tract. The scent of lemon also has mood-enhancing and energizing effects. The smell of lemon can improve your mood and aid clear your mind. Lemon can also help lessen anxiety and depression. Number 4. Balancing body phone. Lemons are one of the most alkalizing fruits for the body. As you might know, They are acidic on their own, but surprisingly, inside the bodies, they're alkaline. Lemons include both citric and ascorbic acid, or vitamin C, weak acids easily metabolized from the body, letting the mineral content of lemons aid alkalize the blood. Disease states can only happen when the body's pH is acidic. Eating lemons daily can assist in removing overall acidity in the body, like uric acid in the joints, which is one of the leading causes of pain and inflammation. Number 3. Freshens your breath. Besides fresher breath, lemons have been helpful in relieving tooth pain and gingivitis. Be aware that citric acid can damage tooth enamel, so you should be cautious of this. Refrain from brushing your teeth just after consuming lemon. In addition, you should rinse your mouth with purified water after you eat a lemon. Number 2. Enhancing the digestive system. Because of lemon's antioxidant compounds, lemon flushes out unwanted materials and toxins from your body. Its atomic composition is just like saliva and the hydrochloric acid of digestive fluids. It stimulates the liver to create bile, an acid needed for digestion. The digestive qualities of lemon help to ease signs of indigestion, like heartburn, belching, and bloating. If you want to make it more healthy for your digestive tract, you can make lemon juice and add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Number 1. Reverend up the weight loss process. Lemons are rich in pectin fiber, which aids fight hunger cravings. Analyses have revealed that individuals who have a more alkaline diet do, in reality, lose weight quickly. Many individuals believe that drinking warm lemon water in the morning suppresses their appetite and leads them to lose more weight. Some analyses have suggested having lemon water during exercise. The explanation is that it improves energy levels, maintains the body hydrated, and aids you burn more calories. As you see, lemon's benefits go beyond vitamin C and antioxidant properties. So, initiate eating lemon because it will have multiple health benefits that demonstrate its results after even 1 month. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.